Welcome to YouTube channel Ramesh Kaila. As we know, we have already discussed in our previous video regarding the subject of educational technology. In that, the important question: define lesson plan, purpose of lesson plan, discuss the role of teacher in making good lesson plan, prepare model lesson plan of subject of community health nursing and aviate. In that, how to prepare general objective, contributory objective, assignment and evaluation. In a link of this question, define lesson plan, purpose of lesson plan, discuss the role of teacher in a good lesson plan, prepare model lesson plan, and last one is the element of good lesson plan. Frequently asked in a examination, which are the element of good lesson plan. So here this video we have just discussed regarding the element of good lesson plan, and at the end of this element it is a very nice question that regarding the lesson plan. Element of good lesson plan. The elements of good lesson plans are under. As we know, you all students have seen the lesson plan and you make so many assignment according to lesson plan, and you have already this done in all subject matter in a first SEM, second SEM, third SEM, fourth SEM. So you know regarding you always you have already knowledge regarding the lesson plan and how we make good assignment for the evaluatory assignment. Though these are the only element of the lesson plan that we must have to prepare the front page of lesson plan. In front page we may just mention the name of the college, address, subject, topic, duration, group, date, time, method of teaching, aviate, which are aviate used during the lesson plan, previous knowledge of group, and lecture by faculty. The format of lesson plan, you must remember the format of lesson plan, then you are able to write the element of the lesson plan. Then it is the first page of lesson plan, front page. In a front page we just mention the subject, topic, duration, group, which are the group, date, time, method of teaching, aviate, previous knowledge of the group, and name of faculty. Then we prepared the general objective of whatever subject we select, whatever the lesson plan topic we select. We just prepared the general objective that the end of the lesson plan student must teach this type of the skill, this type of the lesson, and you make experience of this lesson and it implement in the community, in the clinic with a positive attitude. It is the general objective. Then the contributory objective, it is depend on topic. Content plan, as we know that the content plan define the aviate. It is the content plan. Introduction of aviate, type of the aviate, it is content plan. Aviate means which aviate are used during the lecture, PPT, either poster, either blackboard and chalk, either multimedia projector, whatever. Assignment, and after end of the unit you give the assignment to the student, that like the unit test is the one of the assignment, question answer is the one of the assignment, and prepare the aviate, prepare the plan, it is also one of the assignment, and evaluation. For the evaluation purpose of view, we must have to take the unit test. in bibliography, in which books this content you are collect from which book, that's called the evaluation. So these are the discussion regarding the lesson plan. And lesson plan, I think it is very easy question for you in examination point of view. The defined lesson plan, purpose of lesson plan, discuss the making good lesson plan for AVAID and element of the good lesson plan. Best question for educational technology, and this question is repeated in examination so many times. So please go through both of video number 6, 7th and video number 8. Thank you very much.